OnQ offers a range of structured wiring and home automation systems that include lighting control. The systems typically consist of the following modules: firstly, a bus audio distribution, secondly, TV and telecommunication distribution, and thirdly, lighting control. OnQ has a reputation for producing high-quality systems that are reliable and durable. OnQ systems are designed to be user-friendly with straightforward controls and interfaces. OnQ systems can be scaled to meet the specific needs of a home, allowing for future expansion or upgrades. OnQ systems tend to be more expensive than comparable systems from other manufacturers. Some users may find that OnQ systems lack certain advanced features or customization options. Leviton is another reputable manufacturer of structured wiring and lighting control systems. Their systems typically offer similar capabilities to OnQ, including firstly, audio distribution, secondly, video distribution, thirdly, telecommunication distribution, and fourthly, lighting control. Leviton systems offer a wide range of modules and components, allowing for greater flexibility in system design. Leviton systems tend to be more affordable than OnQ systems while still providing comparable performance. Leviton systems are compatible with a variety of third-party devices and home automation platforms. Leviton systems can be more complex to install and configure than some other systems. Leviton systems rely on software for control, which may introduce potential vulnerabilities or limitations. Other reputable manufacturers of structured wiring and lighting control systems include Lutron, known for its advanced lighting control solutions, Crestron, which offers high-end home automation systems with extensive customization options, and Control4, which provides a comprehensive platform for home automation, including lighting control, security, and entertainment. The best value in the long run depends on the specific needs and preferences of the homeowner. Here are some factors to consider. Firstly, initial cost. OnQ systems tend to be more expensive initially. Secondly, reliability. OnQ has a reputation for reliability, which can reduce the need for repairs or replacements over time. Thirdly, scalability. The ability to expand or upgrade the system without major disruptions or expenses is important for future-proofing. Fourthly, features. Consider which features are most important and ensure that the system meets those needs. If you plan to integrate with other home automation devices or platforms, compatibility is crucial. Consult with a qualified electrician or home automation professional to determine the best system for your specific situation.